Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to replace your AirTag battery, I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done right here, right now. Let's do it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going through the easiest way to replace your AirTag battery. Let's do it. So first of all, replacing your AirTag battery is surprisingly simple and it takes less than 60 seconds. So follow these straightforward step-by-step instructions and you can keep your device working like it's brand new. So first of all, the position of your AirTag. So hold your AirTag with the polished stainless steel back facing you. This shiny side contains the removable battery cover. Open the battery cover, press down firmly on the battery cover and twist it counterclockwise. This will stop and pop open with a very satisfying click. The third step is to replace the battery. So remove the old battery and insert the new battery. The standard size is the CR2032 lithium 3-volt coin battery. You need to put the positive side facing up. And then the fourth step is to secure the cover. So align the 3 tabs on the cover with the slots on the AirTag. Press down and twist clockwise until it locks securely.